Hello, good evening. Former Governor of Kiambu, His Excellency Ferdinand Waititu, will now suffer a huge blow after the court ruling was delivered urging him to forfeit assets worth 131 million Kenyan shillings back to the state. According to the court ruling delivered on the 19th of December 2025, Ferdinand Waititu and his wife had initially poised to surrender 1.9 billion after he received a court conviction for corruption and siphoning money through illegal dubious procurement and fraudulent activities as a governor. Earlier before, Waititu has been serving in prison for quite some time awaiting for the fate of his judgment, after the court rejected his cash bond application whereby the court has finally pronounced itself clearly about the case against the governor.
Land parcel LR number 284 28/77 Tindigwa, valued at Kenya shilling 32 million. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 assets belonging to the first defendant, Ferdinand Waititu. I found the explanation that was given on these ones not to have been satisfactory.
According to the court ruling, Waititu's family has been ordered to surrender 2 plots of land valued at 32 million, a construction Caterpillar tractor of 11 million, and another 2 cars worth 600,000 each. According to Justice Nixon Sifuna, Waititu and his partner did not provide sufficient evidence to prove how the assets were acquired through proper channels. His ruling partially allowed the proceedings of a civil case filed by the EACC, seeking to recover assets allegedly acquired illegally during Waititu's tenure as a governor, whereby, in 2022, EACC filed a lawsuit against Ferdinand Waititu after he was flagged to have accumulated a wealth of assets worth over 1 billion through corruption. In their evidence, Waititu committed crimes of corruption as a member of parliament for Kabete constituency between 2015 and 2017. And secondly as a governor of Kiambu County through a dubious procurement attached with irregularities against the provisions of the law.
Is only one property, in respect of which I did not find sufficient explanation, and that is valued at 3 million. So in respect of Susan Wangari Ndung, the value of the property for feature is 3 million. Next.
According to the evidence presented by the EACC, Waititu had acquired these properties through proceeds of dubious procurement contracts to the companies attached to him and his wife. However, to the governor's advantage, Justice Sifuna made a ruling for Waititu to only surrender a fraction of the assets alleged, just because the EACC's allegations were presented without sufficient clarity. The court also found that EACC Commission did not fully support the claims with solid evidence to enable a full seizure of all the assets. Thank you and keep on subscribing.